Hey everyone, so I always get a question on how do I get these lower abs, these obliques. I'm going to angle this camera down just right. How do I get this stuff all right through in here? So I'm going to actually show you an exercise that we do here that helps a lot with this. Now, we're going to demonstrate the camera right over in this angle, and for this particular one, we're going to be using a dipping bar. So you can use a pull-up bar, but I've actually found that dipping bars actually will, for this purpose, will do a little better. Let me actually scoot this camera back a little bit more. So what I have right down through here is I have a dipping bar set up, and I have a box. I'm going to show you what you're going to do. We're going to do basically in what we call a supported position, which is right here. We're going to do not just a leg raise, but what we call leg raise overs. Bringing your legs over the box, then going over the other side. Now, start low in the beginning. I prefer doing leg raises where your feet are off the ground versus sometimes you'll see some other gyms where they have the barbells or parallettes on the ground. I find that's a little harder in the beginning. I prefer this way. Gets a little bit of a stretch. From here, make sure your feet are off the ground so you can't touch. And get a box that you know you can go over. Now, if you're finding that you do this exercise, you're not feeling enough of a challenge, here's really where the challenge comes in. The challenge is set something higher. Get something that's really going to make you reach over each side. If you're finding that still not enough of a challenge, keep raising this up until you find that challenge for what we call leg raise overs that's really going to be helping target a lot of the obliques and, of course, part of the low abs. As of how many to do this one, guys, here at RTC, I'm a big believer in relentless ab work. It's not something we do at the end of the workout. This is something I'm going to want you to do in the middle of the workout when you're kind of fresh. For this one, I'm going to say, I recommend right off the bat, see if you can't hit 50 each side and work your way up. Now remember, guys, the goal is to find a height that's going to present your body a challenge for this. And give it a little bit. I can assure you, you're going to feel your low abs start working. Now, guys, I want to know, what do you think? Have you ever tried this exercise? Ever done anything like this before? Put in the comment section below and let me know what you're thinking. But in the meantime, everyone, hey, have amazing workouts, even better meals. Enjoy this weather that's coming up. Texas, it feels a little better outside. And I look forward to chatting with the rest of you guys later this week.